Hi friends, good week. How are you? First of all, I would like to wish you happy holidays, happy Easter, you and your family and all your friends. Enjoy this great holiday period. Well, during the last week, I was with my family. They come visit, so was not so available to the markets, but nothing special happened. Just few breaks on the majors, and actually that's all. And why? I just want to remind you, we are still waiting for Wednesday. So this week I would like to split for actually three parts. The first part is Monday. No trading, no volatility is expected due to the bank holiday worldwide. Only in the U.S. banks will actually work. All the rest of the banks across Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, all are on the sorry, all of them are on their holiday period. So actually, Monday is not expected to be a volatile day, such as the last Friday, as you actually saw. Nothing happened, right? Zigzagging, and that's how the chart looks, right? Every chart. So not the kind of charts we are looking for and we are interested in, right? So the next part would be Tuesday and Wednesday until the almost the end of the US session. Why? I beg your pardon. Because it's 27th of April. If you follow my weekly reviews consistently, you know that I've been talking about 27 as very important day for the last few weeks. Why? Because Bernanke will hold a press conference. Bernanke will release U.S. interest rate, but not that the interest rate is not so important because probably there will be no any unexpected change. But the most important thing will be what is Bernanke about to say according to the potential QE number three will actually release more money, or will they stop? And actually, that's what the market expecting to see. So, the first part once again is Monday, the Eastern. The second part is Tuesday and half Wednesday, and the third part will be Thursday and Friday. That's how we split this week. So today's weekly review actually is the, not nothing we can expect actually for the upcoming week. Um, I will show you some potential move only for Tuesday and Wednesday because trying to catch the move before Bernanke's press conference is like trying to to jump a bungee without a roof. So uh, very dangerous. So just keep your money, friends. The opportunities will come immediately after Bernanke's speech, probably during the next few days. But until then, there are few opportunities that I would like to show you. But before that, I just want to explain why it is so risky. Right? Because what, for example, right? Just for example, the euro dollar. We have this divergence, right? We have a resistance. Actually, I was calling the 147 as a top, but 147 was never reached. 146.70 actually blocked this up move. And watch this now. There is a resistance, there is a divergence, there is everything beautiful. But the RSI is still sloping up. The stochastic still sloping down. Still sloping up, sorry. There is no completing divergence, right? So they actually get, there is actually a fight, as we can see from the chart, even from the chart, between the bulls and the bears, between the speculants that Bernanke will release the QE number three, and between this that don't believe in Q number three, and they say that Bernanke will stop the halving program. So what actually is about to happen? You see, even the chart is pointing the fight, the non-clear picture. The Bollinger Bands up, but divergence is here. The stochastic pointing up, RSI still sloping up despite of the inverted hammer on Thursday. So what's about to happen? The weekly chart is still bullish. No one has any idea. But the expectations, sorry, the expectations is that that Bernanke will, and I just remind you, that's just expectations. No one really knows what Bernanke is about to say. The expectations from the investors that the Bernanke will actually continue with his helping program until the picture will be much clearer, and if so, that the euro should after that period reach the 150, the British pound should reach 170, even maybe higher. New Zealandian 1084 new high, Australian 1010 new high, etc., etc., etc. Right? So actually, the investors are against the dollar, and we can see why. If we take a look on the monthly chart, right? You remember this triangle, friends? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then little up and the break of the 6. If that's the situation, then the US dollar, of course, it's a monthly chart, so it will take a while, right? But if it's the situation, that means that the US dollar will continue to lose its power. Very logical if Bernanke will continue with his plans, with his helping programs. So that's about the US dollar. What about the little short opportunities? British pound broke the 164 finally, actually closed above. That's a pair we talked about on the live trading room. Once again, I would like to invite you to this live trading room. We analyze the market together. We recognize the opportunities. We look for the opportunities. We enter live when there is an opportunity during the live trading room, and we have exact, specific um, instructions how to enter, when to enter, according to what chart to enjoy the profit. So we have entered for the British pound, for example, here with the break of 163.75, this one, and ride it all the way to 166. That was the target of ours. So a beautiful, nice move. But now there could be a nice retracement according to the daily chart, which we could see a retracement to 164, right? Retracement to retest this actually support line. I would prefer to go for the 4-hour charts and look for this breakdown. If this one is broken down, then we will probably see a down move to the 20 moving average and then maybe to the support line. That's the only risky opportunity I could see from the majors. Another one we could actually find on the euro yen. Once again, it was the correction. Remember the correction I've been talking about? All the way to the support, right? Then retrace again, and now. But once again, it's very risky. Very risky. There is no way I will trade it, but for the risky trade of you, it could be a flag. A breakdown of this flag could lead for another down move, but once again, very risky one, because Monday no trading, Tuesday will be probably speculating for Bernanke's speech, and that's actually all. So these two are opportunities I could find, but once again, risky. They are very risky, and that's why I prefer to stay out until Bernanke's speech. I will update and create a special video for you just after Bernanke's press conference, and it will be Thursday because Bernanke will hold it on Wednesday evening European time, and I will prepare a video for you on Thursday, right? So just with update for Bernanke. After Bernanke, I'll call it the day after Bernanke, right? So that's about the market, friends. Be be cautious. Stay tuned for every danger from the market. Now, I really believe it's very risky to trade now. There is no need to trade. We could be a patient friend and don't jump with for the very deep water. Once you know there are many sharks in the water. So stay actually a cautious friend and don't make things that you will probably regret after. So once again, I would like to wish you a great holiday, a great um, Easter, a happy Easter. Enjoy the time with your family. Enjoy the meals if you have. And once again, I will update on Thursday the situation on the market. And once again, I would like to invite you to our live trading room, free service for all the forex signals members. For all the forex signal members. So come friends, we had 2 fabulous weeks. The last week it was the British pound, and the British pound buy. That was the highlights actually. Um, so come friends, it will be very great to see you there. And thank you very much for your time watching this video. Goodbye.